Black Betty, bam, lamb. Go, Black Betty, bam, lamb. Black Betty had a child, bam, lamb. Don't think on a while, bam, lamb. She's always ready, bam, lamb. She's so rock steady, bam, lamb. Whoa, Black Betty, bam, lamb. Yeah, Black Betty. Black Betty, Black Betty, Black Betty had a vibe. Don't be gonna buy. She knows us Betty, she knows us Betty. Black Betty, Black Betty. She's always my mind.
Party. You beatbox, you sing, you got your own little subwoofer. I loved it.
Thank you so much.
What a talent. I mean, we've seen this kind of stuff, but never this good. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Simon.
Well, I'm so happy you've made these two so excited.
Yes.
I mean, seriously. I never, ever would have expected that it was a surprise. I think in a very good way.
Yes, I'm famous.
All right.
I'm going to give you your first yes.
Yes.
Sophia?
Yes!
Simon?
What would you like me to say, Mel?
Yes!
Yes!
Yes.
Thank you so much. I love you.
That was brilliant.
Gary, I want you to try beatbox.